Are you ready to unleash your laptop's true power? Join us for an incredible 40-second video that will leave you amazed. We'll guide you step by step through the exhilarating process of replacing your laptop's silicon CPU. In under a minute, you'll learn how to locate the CPU, skillfully remove the heatsink, masterfully swap the old CPU for a new powerhouse, and expertly reattach the heatsink. Experience the satisfaction of boosting your laptop's performance and witness a remarkable transformation in your everyday computing experience. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to expand your knowledge and elevate your laptop's capabilities. As always, consult your laptop's manual or a professional technician if you have any doubts during the process.